The Dr.Kbder 5 Pcs Fidget Toys Adults set offers a diverse collection of sensory gadgets designed to help relieve stress, improve focus, and provide quiet entertainment for both kids and adults. This set includes a metal fidget spinner cube, 3 magnetic rings, a fidget pad, an infinity cube, and a flippy roller bike chain. Each piece is crafted from durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety and longevity for everyday use. The variety of fidget toys in this pack caters to different preferences and needs, making it a versatile option for anyone seeking to manage anxiety, ADHD symptoms, or simply keep their hands busy during idle moments. Users appreciate the value of the set, noting that it provides multiple quality fidget toys at a better price compared to purchasing individual items. The assortment allows users to experiment with different types of fidgeting actions, from spinning and clicking to rolling and manipulating magnetic rings. This variety helps users find the specific sensory input that best suits their focus and relaxation needs. The toys are quiet and discreet, suitable for use in offices, classrooms, or at home without causing distractions to others. The metal spinner cube and infinity cube are frequently highlighted for their smooth operation and satisfying tactile feedback. These pieces are durable and maintain their functionality even with regular use. The fidget pad and flippy roller bike chain also receive positive remarks for their unique designs and the engaging sensory experience they provide. The magnetic rings, while generally well-liked for their feel and ease of manipulation, have received some criticism due to weaker magnets that can separate unexpectedly, which may reduce their effectiveness and pose a minor safety concern if magnets are lost or flung. Several reviewers mention the set's usefulness in real-life scenarios, such as helping children avoid destructive habits like nail biting or fidgeting with inappropriate objects. Parents find these toys helpful in keeping kids engaged and calm during car rides or quiet time. Adults report that the toys help reduce nervous habits like pen clicking and improve concentration during work or study. Some users even credit the set with improving interpersonal environments by reducing distracting noises and behaviors. The set's portability is another advantage, as each toy fits comfortably in a pocket or bag, allowing users to carry them anywhere for on-the-go stress relief. The compact size and ease of operation make these toys accessible for quick use whenever needed. The materials used are safe for children aged 3 and up, making the set suitable for a wide age range. Despite the overall positive feedback, there are minor drawbacks to consider. One user received a piece that was incomplete, which affected their initial impression. The magnetic ring's weaker magnets may not meet the expectations of users seeking a strong magnetic fidget experience. Additionally, some toys like the video game controller fidget and the bike chain fidget may not appeal to all users, as sensory preferences vary widely. In summary, the Dr.Kbder 5 Pcs Fidget Toys Adult Set is a well-rounded collection of stress relief gadgets that deliver good quality, variety, and value. It is particularly recommended for those who are unsure about which type of fidget toy suits them best, as it offers multiple options in one package. The toys are quiet, durable, and designed to provide a satisfying tactile experience that can help reduce anxiety, improve focus, and replace less desirable fidgeting habits. This set makes a thoughtful gift for children, teens, and adults who benefit from sensory stimulation or need discrete tools to manage stress and attention. If you have this set or decide to try it, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to this versatile fidget toy set.